Welcome to Real Stories, Real People, and Real Solutions. I'm here with
David Gish.
Okay, now, David, you came down here with a condition, and there's a lot of things called diagnoses, but a lot of them have to do with poor tissue production. Now, if you have poor tissue production, and it's called ankylosing spondylitis, where the ligaments are literally starting to turn into bone, what hope did the other doctors give you?
A lifetime of pharmacal drugs.
And just to control the pain.
Just to control the pain and slow the progress. And yeah, no solutions.
No solutions.
Yeah, none.
Okay, imagine that. Okay, now what kind of courage do you have to say, I don't agree with that prediction? I got to thank your mom, grandma, grandpa, whoever gave you this. Okay, so you've been here for a couple of weeks, or a few weeks.
Yep, 2 weeks. This is, yeah.
Okay, so now, and this is for doctors out there too. Okay, when you get a patient with a diagnosis, thinking that this has been burned in their forehead, ankylosing spondylitis, you have to take stress x-rays because the body can regenerate. If there's any movement, that body can regenerate healthy tissue. What have you noticed so far?
I'm back in my body, like I haven't felt for longer than I can remember, over 10 years.
Wow.
Yeah. I can breathe. Like you said, you would get me to breathe. I'm breathing much better. My energy is up. I'm a whole new dude. I don't know how else to say it. I'm just really, I feel, yeah.
The biggest thing is I'm not doing it. Okay, a chiropractor doesn't heal anybody, but we do remove the interference so the body can regenerate healthy tissue. And by God, breathing is your life. Okay, what got you the courage to come down?
It wasn't really, I don't know if it was courage. It was just, I've been praying for something where I could, that like this, what you're doing, where I could get treatments that would work instead of, here's a treatment, come back in 3 weeks. And then I come back and nothing is really changed. And I always felt like, man, if I could just book a different chiropractor every day of the week, I might get better. But here we are doing 4 a day. It's amazing.
And then, I mean, we're changing the sleep patterns, the nutrients, everything. But by gosh, I mean, when you create inflammation, yes, that's right, create inflammation, then the body can lay down new tissue. And that's why when I saw it, there was actually movement in something that on the static film, a static x-ray, it looked like there was fusion. You bend it and even a little bit of motion, baby, that's the inroad. That's why I was so excited when I showed you your first set of x-rays. I thought, no, man, we could fix this. Okay, so what would you tell someone that's had a similar terminal diagnosis? Because that's what it is, and that sucks.
If you're going through hell, don't stop. There is a way. Come see Dr. Bergman, and he will straighten you up.
If you can't see me, realize that your body is self-healing, self-regulating, and adaptive. Your body is adapting. It's going to repair, heal, but you got to remove that interference and restore the body so it can build in a healthy configuration. This is why we address the physical, chemical, and emotional stressors. And so you get a fusion of the spine. It's not a spinal problem. It's a tissue production problem. God bless you, brother. Take care of yourself. Realize that your body's more energy than matter, and miracles do happen. It's just your body is the miracle. If you look at most conditions out there are really an adaptation to stress. And when you adapt to the stress incorrectly, your body starts to build tissue that's not healthy. You adapt to stress correctly and your body regenerates and you're around for 120 years, healthy, baby.
Yeah.
I mean, how you got the courage to, it's just because it is. But prayer,
prayer.
That works.
It helps.
I do it every day.
Yeah.
I like the way Lincoln said it. He said a lot of days he went to his knees because he had no other place to go.
Yeah.
Okay. God bless you. Take care of yourself. Keep working for the solution. If you can't make it down to one of my offices, your body is made in the image and likeness of God, and you can heal, even if you've been given a label of incurable. God bless you, brother.
Thanks.
You rock, man.
You rock.